Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into Gmail on the web so you have full controls. Once done, open the spam folder and mark any legitimate messages not spam so Gmail learns. Next, identify clear spam examples, open one, click the three-dot menu, and choose Report Spam or Block Sender. This trains filters immediately and removes the worst senders from your inbox. Now you refine with precise filters. Go to Settings and create a new filter using from, subject, keywords, or size to catch patterns. Once you test the criteria, choose actions like skip inbox, delete, or apply a label so spam never interrupts you. Make sure to check Also Apply Filter to matching conversations. That retroactively cleans old messages. If multiple senders finish by unsubscribing from lists you recognize, then bulk delete remaining spam and empty the spam folder to free storage. Once done, review your filters and blocked addresses to ensure no important senders are accidentally blocked. Adjust criteria to be less broad if needed. If spam continues, disable or narrow a suspect filter, retrain by marking messages not spam, and as a last resort reset filters to default. This combination fixes most problems quickly and keeps Gmail learning correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.